So out the box, it does come in with this bag, which is very, very handy, especially if I'm gonna be carrying it in my truck. Let's open it up, pull it out. It does have a protection, of course, the quick reference guide. Here's some of the attachments it comes with. Of course, the different nozzles for bicycle, sports equipment, different bike air hose itself, very standard. Of course, the charger and the jump starter connection. This connects to the box itself, of course. So to start it, you just press and hold the power button until it turns on. Here we can see it's already set to vehicle PSI 36. You want to adjust the settings. You want it higher, lower. And this is the mode. M stands for mode. So you have the bicycle, you have the motorcycle, and now you have the bicycle and the sport equipment. If you press and hold it, has a different ways of measuring the pressure. So I prefer PSI. It does have a flashlight. Oh no, it's just a click actually. So here it is, pretty bright. Has different features. So here's the plug-in for the air hose, the out 5 volts direct current, and in 5 volts direct current, 2 amps. Here's the jumper cable. Slot the port. You just open it up, connect the cables, connect it to the battery. So here it is. I have a low tire, so I'm just gonna use this as an example to show how it works. So you hold it. It's already set to 36 PSI. So once it reaches the pressure you set it to, it will shut off on its own.